Hi class, so this is my video book report. I chose the photo book called Translations by photographer Mark Dorf. So Translations is a book that features two series, Emergence and Path. Together they, I want to say, explore science and technology in today's world. There are similar styles, similar approaches with slight variations. So we have Path, right, the first series. This series sort of brings to light the few moments in the modern Western world, right, that we live in today that are not actually influenced by digital technology and connectivity through the internet. I think it's kind of fascinating that this is sort of the message being told through this technological vehicle that is photography. The second series, which as I mentioned is called Emergence, shows different abstractions that really help bring to light new information that the human eye, right, the untrained human eye would really just otherwise miss. Here's where Emergence starts. So this whole book really focuses on, like the title of the book says, translations, right? One thing fluidly becoming the next. It's talking about nature, multiple forms of existence, as you can see, the varying images and ideas, balance, having this balance between technology and the world and nature, and then also integrating the future and the now, so putting these different ideas together. Another photo book that Mark Dorf created called Kin explores the human perspective. So a similar idea to this one with slight variations. As I'm looking through the book, the first thing that I noticed really right away was that the quality of the images seems to be very, very high. The images are really sharp and clear and bright, and they seem to have this kind of sheen, this sort of glossy, shiny feel that I think is really, really nice, really beautiful. As I'm flipping through it, I'm finding that the book feels good in my hands. It's easy to handle. When the images are put together into a book like this sort of thing, I'm really finding it to be a very different experience. For example, in comparison to last week where we had to print out our images, although of course in both cases we're looking at images in print, which is definitely a different experience than seeing it on the computer. Now I'm really seeing them all really officially put together into this beautifully bound book. So I'm really thinking that the object of the book itself really is an important aspect, a really important part of the experience of enjoying photos. So that's my book report on this photo book, Translations by photographer Mark Dorf. Thanks so much for watching.